How to get detergent stains out of clothes. We've all been there. You pour detergent into the washing machine. Some spatters and leaves a stain on your favorite shirt. Don't worry. With some common household items, you can get detergent stains out of clothes easily. Here are 4 simple steps. Step 1. Rinse the stained area thoroughly with cold water to dilute the detergent. Rub it gently. Step 2. Make a paste with baking soda and water. Apply it to the stain and let sit for 15 minutes. Step 3. Use a soft bristle toothbrush to gently scrub the paste over the stain to break it up. Step 4. Rinse with cold water. If any stain remains, spray it with diluted vinegar and let sit for 5 more minutes before washing as normal. Make sure the stain is fully removed. Conclusion. With this easy 4-step method, you can get rid of ugly detergent stains with household items like baking soda, vinegar, and an old toothbrush. Thanks for watching Cleaner Digs.